great news is that many foods, including foods that we mix together, and this is the whole point about food synergies, activate our body's health defenses. So the Grand Slammers that I write about in my book are a series of foods. And by the way, that list is growing because, you can only put so much in a book and the research continues, are foods that activate all 5 health defense systems at the same time. And so just like a Grand Slammer, like in baseball, it's a home run and everybody gets driven around the bases to home. So you score big time. That's what I call the foods that actually really knock it out of the park. A study was published in the journal Annals of Internal Medicine of 171,000 people in their 50s living in the United Kingdom, and it showed that those who drank 2 to 3.5 cups of coffee per day had a 30% lower risk of all-cause mortality. That means death from any cause. The people came from a database called the UK Biobank that has 500,000 people participating, and the study took place over 9 years. So what's in coffee that is so beneficial for health? Coffee has a natural chemical called chlorogenic acid that does a lot of things. It improves your blood flow, stimulates your own stem cells to help your organs regenerate. It improves the gut microbiome, which lowers inflammation and improves metabolism. It's an antioxidant, and chlorogenic acid also improves your immune system. What's even more interesting is that organic coffee has more chlorogenic acid than conventionally grown beans.
Imagine your morning coffee, beyond its energy boost, potentially aiding your body's cancer defense. Dr. William Li, a food as medicine expert focused on angiogenesis, has illuminated surprising health impacts of everyday foods and beverages. Today, we explore coffee's potential in combating cancer and promoting overall health, drawing from Dr. Li's research and broader studies on its effects on blood flow, stem cells, gut health, inflammation, metabolism, antioxidants, immunity, and even lifespan. Whether you're a daily coffee drinker or curious about its benefits, Dr. Li's wisdom and scientific findings offer a compelling perspective on this common beverage's interaction with fundamental bodily processes, perhaps contributing to the vitality of someone like Lucy. In this video, we'll share this potentially eye-opening information about coffee's role in cancer defense and well-being. If you find this valuable, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more insights into food and beverage as medicine. Dr. Li's work highlights our body's ability to respond to nourishment, suggesting that daily coffee consumption can actively support inherent biological processes for long-term wellness and resilience, potentially influencing blood flow, cellular regeneration, gut health, inflammation, metabolism, antioxidant defense, immunity, and lifespan. His angiogenesis research shows how dietary components affect blood vessel formation, relevant to both healthy tissue growth and tumor development. Understanding coffee's compounds and their modulation of angiogenesis reveals its potential to restrict blood supply to tumors. Moreover, Dr. Li emphasizes the diet-immune system interplay, noting coffee's complex bioactive profile and emerging potential in cancer defense and overall health. Have you considered the far-reaching, beneficial impact of your daily coffee? The compelling narrative inspired by Dr. Li's research and the broader scientific understanding of the role of diet in cancer prevention and support highlights the critical importance of consuming a wide array of plant-based foods and beverages rich in bioactive compounds, including the remarkable and complex composition of coffee. Cancer development is a multifaceted process, and while no single food or drink can prevent or cure it, emerging research strongly suggests that certain dietary components can play a significant role in supporting the body's natural defenses. Numerous compounds found in coffee, including potent antioxidants like chlorogenic acids, have demonstrated the ability to inhibit cancer cell growth, promote apoptosis-programmed cell death in cancer cells, and interfere with the signaling pathways that fuel tumor development in laboratory settings. Dr. Li's emphasis on the ability of food and beverages to influence angiogenesis is particularly relevant here, as the formation of new blood vessels is essential for tumor expansion. Certain compounds found in coffee can help to normalize blood vessel growth within tumors, potentially hindering their ability to receive the nutrients and oxygen they need to thrive. Furthermore, coffee consumption has been linked in various studies to positive effects on the gut microbiome, which plays an increasingly recognized role in immune function and overall health, indirectly contributing to the body's defense against cancer. The complex brew of coffee offers a convenient and widely enjoyed way to incorporate these potentially beneficial compounds into the diet, making it easier for the body to access and utilize their health-promoting properties. Are you curious to discover which specific compounds within coffee might be responsible for these potential anti-cancer and health-boosting effects, as highlighted by Dr. Lee's research and other scientific studies? Drawing upon Dr. Lee's wisdom and the growing body of research in the field of food as medicine and cancer, particularly his investigations into the bioactive compounds found in various foods and beverages, let's explore the potential of coffee to contribute to the body's natural defenses against cancer cells and promote overall health, perhaps offering insights into the remarkable vitality of individuals like Lucy at 75. One of the key groups of compounds found in coffee that has garnered significant scientific attention is its rich array of antioxidants, most notably chlorogenic acids. These powerful molecules have demonstrated remarkable ability to neutralize harmful free radicals, reduce oxidative stress, and exhibit anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties in laboratory studies. Research suggests that chlorogenic acids may interfere with various stages of cancer development, including cell proliferation and metastasis. Furthermore, coffee contains caffeine, a well-known stimulant that can influence metabolism and may also have indirect effects on cancer risk through its impact on inflammation and other cellular processes. Beyond these well-studied components, coffee is a complex mixture containing numerous other bioactive compounds that are being investigated for their potential health benefits, including their effects on the gut microbiome, which, as Dr. Lee's work and other research have shown, plays a crucial role in immune function and overall health. Some studies have also explored the potential of coffee consumption to influence stem cell activity and promote healthy blood vessel function, aligning with Dr. Lee's focus on angiogenesis. The multifaceted composition of coffee, with its blend of antioxidants, caffeine, and other bioactive compounds, suggests a complex interplay of mechanisms that may contribute to its potential anti-cancer and health-promoting effects. Have you considered the intricate chemistry behind your daily cup of coffee and the potential for these compounds to be working in your favor? The potential mechanisms by which coffee may contribute to cancer defense and overall health align with Dr. Lee's emphasis on the multifaceted ways in which food and beverages interact with our biology. The potent antioxidants in coffee, such as chlorogenic acids, can help to combat oxidative stress, a key driver of cellular damage and cancer development. By neutralizing harmful free radicals, these compounds can protect healthy cells and potentially inhibit the growth and spread of cancerous cells. Furthermore, some studies suggest that coffee compounds may influence key enzymes and signaling pathways involved in cancer development. The potential impact of coffee on angiogenesis, the formation of new blood vessels that tumors need to grow, is also an area of ongoing research, consistent with Dr. Lee's expertise in this field. Moreover, the growing understanding of the gut microbiome's role in immune function and overall health highlights another potential pathway through which coffee consumption may exert beneficial effects. Some studies indicate that coffee can alter the composition and activity of gut bacteria in ways that may support a healthier immune response, potentially enhancing the body's ability to recognize and eliminate cancerous cells. The complex interplay of these various mechanisms underscores the potential of incorporating coffee into a balanced lifestyle as a supportive element for long-term health and cancer prevention. Can you begin to appreciate the intricate web of biological processes that might be positively influenced by your daily coffee ritual? Numerous epidemiological studies involving large populations over extended periods have explored the association between coffee consumption and the risk of various types of cancer, often yielding intriguing and sometimes encouraging results that align with the principles Dr. Lee champions in his work. While these studies do not establish a direct cause and effect relationship, they often suggest a correlation between regular coffee consumption and a lower risk of certain cancers, including liver cancer, colorectal cancer, endometrial cancer, and prostate cancer. These findings warrant further investigation into the specific compounds and mechanisms responsible for these potential protective effects. Furthermore, research has also explored the association between coffee consumption and a reduced risk of all-cause mortality, suggesting a broader positive impact on overall health and longevity. These studies often take into account various lifestyle factors, but the consistent association with coffee consumption is noteworthy. It's important to interpret these findings with caution and recognize that individual responses to coffee can vary based on genetics and other factors. However, the growing body of evidence from population-based studies, combined with laboratory research into the specific compounds in coffee, provides a compelling picture of its potential health benefits, including a possible role in cancer prevention and overall longevity. Does this broader perspective on coffee's potential impact on cancer risk and overall lifespan influence your view of this widely consumed beverage, inspired by Dr. Lee's groundbreaking work, The Emerging Science Connecting Coffee Consumption to Potential Benefits in Cancer Prevention and Overall Health presents an intriguing perspective on how even everyday dietary choices can have significant long-term implications. It moves beyond simply providing a caffeine boost to potentially influencing fundamental biological processes related to disease development and longevity. This is not about coffee being a magic bullet against cancer, but rather about understanding how its complex array of bioactive compounds may interact with our bodies in ways that support our natural defenses and promote overall well-being over time. By making informed choices about our daily habits, including our coffee consumption, we may be able to subtly but significantly contribute to our long-term health and resilience. In this video, our aim is to share the insightful wisdom inspired by Dr. William Lee's perspective on food as medicine and the fascinating potential of coffee to impact various aspects of your health, particularly in relation to cancer prevention and overall well-being, perhaps even contributing to the vitality seen in individuals like Lucy at 75. We've explored the potential role of coffee's antioxidants, its influence on angiogenesis, its interaction with the gut microbiome and immune function, and its association with a reduced risk of certain cancers and all-cause mortality in population studies. It's important to remember that this information is for educational purposes and not medical advice, and individual responses to coffee can vary. However, the emerging science highlights the remarkable potential of even a daily beverage, like coffee, to have a tangible and multifaceted impact on our physiology and long-term health. We hope this exploration has broadened your understanding of this common drink and encouraged you to think more deeply about the intricate relationship between what you consume and how it affects your body. If you found this information thought-provoking and potentially empowering, please take a moment to like this video. Sharing it with others can also help them learn more about the potential health effects of coffee. We encourage you to leave a comment below sharing your own thoughts, experiences, or any questions you might have about coffee and its effects on cancer and overall health. And finally, if you're interested in learning more about the fascinating world of food as medicine and gaining further insights into how your daily choices can influence your health at a fundamental level, please subscribe to our channel for more informative content. By engaging with this video, sharing your thoughts, and becoming a part of our community, You're joining a journey of discovery into the incredible power of what we consume. Let's continue to explore this fascinating intersection of food, beverages, and health together. Inspired by Dr. Lee's work, we can see that even a seemingly routine part of our day, like enjoying a cup of coffee, can be a source of various bioactive compounds that interact with our bodies in profound ways, potentially influencing our risk of chronic diseases like cancer and contributing to our overall longevity. It's a reminder that nature provides us with a wealth of compounds that can support our health in diverse ways, often in ways we don't fully appreciate. By understanding these interactions, we can move towards a more intentional and empowered approach to our daily food and beverage choices. What other seemingly simple parts of your daily routine do you think might have surprising and multifaceted effects on your health? The journey of understanding the impact of our food and beverage choices on our bodies is a continuous process of learning and discovery. Science is constantly revealing new insights into the complex interplay between the compounds we consume and our physiology. By staying curious and open to this evolving knowledge, we can make more informed decisions that support our long-term health and well-being. What other aspects of food as medicine or the impact of common beverages are you curious to explore with us? Ultimately, the wisdom inspired by Dr. Lee's work encourages us to view every meal and every beverage, even something as commonplace as a cup of coffee, as an opportunity to nourish our bodies and potentially trigger positive reactions that contribute to our overall health in various ways, including potentially influencing our risk of cancer and promoting longevity. It's about recognizing the power of consistent, informed choices and understanding that even our daily rituals can have significant and multifaceted effects. We invite you to continue this journey of discovery with us, exploring the remarkable influence of food and beverages on our lives. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video to help us build a community dedicated to understanding and harnessing the power of what we consume for a healthier future. Let's learn and grow together, one insightful discovery at a time.